In this video, I'm going to show you how to start using Udemy as an instructor, or aka how to create a course. First of all, you're gonna have to apply for being an instructor, and this is really an easy process. To apply for this process, go ahead in the top right corner and click on instructor. Also, make sure that you are already in Udemy and that you are either using the app or the browser, preferably the browser and preferably in Google Chrome. Now, if you don't find this button right here, you can go ahead, search in Google Udemy instructor. Click on the first link, teach online. Right here, you're gonna click get started and apply for some basic information, connect your account, and you're gonna be good to go. After this, you are going to click on create your course. Click on the format that you're looking for. If you're looking for video, you can create rich learning experience with help of video lectures, quizzes, coding exercises, etc. You can either help the students prepare for an exam, for example, using a certification exam provided by you. I'm gonna click course. Click on continue on the bottom corner. Now, for example, set the name for your course. Learn Photoshop. Click on continue. And then, after this step is perfectly chosen, you're gonna choose the category that best fits your knowledge and specifically for this course. If you're not sure about this option right here, you are able to change it later on. Click on continue after choosing something. And then you are going to be looking at this. Right here, there's no wrong answer. We can help you achieve your goals even if you don't have much time. So, let's say that you have 0 to 2 hours, you choose that option. Click create course, and then you'll be prompted on this page. Right here, you have a very good way that Udemy is going to help you. The following description will be publicly visible on your course landing. You're gonna have to set the course structure, set up and test video, film and edit, curriculum, and create captions, course landing page, the pricing, the course messages for welcome and congrats on ending the course, and that's basically it. You can even do a bulk uploader, which is going to help you upload multiple files at once. Connect your Dropbox, your Google Drive, you guys get the idea. That's basically it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and goodbye.